Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to share Wi-Fi password using QR code on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to share the Wi-Fi password using QR code, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Passwords app, just like that. Now from here, just enter the screen lock on your iPhone. Now from here, just tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here, just select your Wi-Fi network. Now once you have done that, just tap on Show Network QR Code. Now from here, you can scan this QR code from another phone to connect the other phone to the Wi-Fi. Just like that. And this is how you can share Wi-Fi password using QR code on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.